I'm making a new deal of our cats. Mom, give me the cats. I'll have Pumpkin. Pause it a minute. Kitty. Ow. Ow. He's better. Hey. He's a baby once made through me.
Yeah.
He's made Nico, my little cat. A baby once we made through me. A baby once we made through me. Can I show them it for a sec? Wait, I wanna. Be careful. Baby teeth. That's Pumpkin. That's Pumpkin, a cat. A baby cat. We taught him Pumpkin because he was like the Pumpkin. And the black cat that I showed you is named Nico. Now you can go now. And he's a crazy. You're scaring the poor kitty. So that's what we did.
You can tell them a story about them.
Well, the Pumpkin mom abandoned him. Yeah. Yes. He never wanted to be Pumpkin. I don't know why he abandoned him. Maybe he was just too tired, of finding food. Though he was tired, though he did abandon her own sweet little baby. But now we are his mommy. But Nico, he just got a squished foot. Yeah. The back one. Yes. He never Nico's mom never abandoned him. Yeah. Hey, stop! So that's the story. But we just got them yesterday. You might then ask them for the devo. Where did you got it? Or like, when did you got it? Yesterday, tomorrow, or something? But no, we just got it yesterday. But you made a guess. We did not got them today. We got them yesterday, and they're so adorable. Turn into a kitty cat. No, I don't turn into a kitty cat. Yeah. And this is what they came in. Move the germy thing out your hands. Okay. I'll see you in the next video. Bye. Pretend we have hats. Pretend we...
Hold on, he's sleeping.
Give me the other hat.
Hold on. I want to show you what he looks like. He's
Kitty cat.
cozy.
Kitty cat.
He's asleep. He's like a little belly rat. Hey. Come on. Nico. Hey.
Pumpkin. That doesn't want to do the deal.